that they are illiterate. I don't blame you, because the way they talk sometimes, you will be forced to saying that. That's why people, they'll tell you, oh, Ngozi Fulani is a terrorist, USB terrorist. Enough people that cannot even spell terrorism, like spell it, can let's not go there anywhere. But you get the point, right? You get the point. You don't use some of this derogatory word on people that maybe you don't like the person simply because you want to provoke them or you want to achieve anything. You don't know the implication of what you're saying. You don't understand it, and you don't even care. You don't even care at all. Everything must be, the way you want. Oh, let me just put it the way I want. Bam. It's not done that way. Okay, from the one I will take here.
Sologate Anapogore. She was a Sologate. PM stopped her.
Nah. PM stopped her. Immediately Gaddafi come to your own little brain. PM stop her. Because his own problem is a Gaddafi. No, not Gaddafi, Caterpillar. That is his own problem. And that problem is different from Remedi's problem. But they are now sharing ideas and men on ground. And that one is that he want to be the defense secretary. Like even is there any post that is more powerful than defense secretary? That's what she wants. She want to be the one to tell men on ground when to sleep, when to wake up, how to eat. Just know Ada, any freedom movement or have you been any security structure, like nothing. This is how these people actually see us. They think that we are just like a chicken in the poultry farm. Okay, no, wait.
Because of the evil that she is committing. She was a surrogate, appointed surrogate. Even now she tell us we did not confirm. She was a surrogate and BM stopped her. If you are interested in holding the office, what you will do is to fund those men on the ground to continue the evangelism. But because she have come to destroy Biafra, none of them following her, none have proved what this woman is doing for Biafra liberation. None of them. I have asked all of them, what they will come and tell me, oh, do you think that this woman is not doing anything? Oh, all the good things that this woman...
That is it. Even if you bring receipt and say to this guy now, it's not going to change his mind. You know why? His problem is not about sending money to men on ground, or he actually care about men on ground. No. His problem is why Caterpillar. Do you understand it? So, but he will come out, oh, men on ground, to get buy your favor. Because a friend, enemy to my enemy is my friend. Does that make sense? Enemy to my enemy is my friend. Okay, your WhatsApp phone number is not yet on. No, there's one I pin here. I pin chat here. It is on. This WhatsApp, are you saying that this WhatsApp is not on? This +44 UK number here. It should be on, my brother. It is on. Or or maybe I think you are calling the other line. The other line is I'm using the phone to stream, so I just provide this one for in case anytime I want to, if the other phone is not available, I will use this one to answer call. So the number is on. You can call it now. This +44 is on. You can call it. So let's hear, because both of them are.
Now, information came out. Ngozi Orabueze is collecting data of people. Ask yourself, what is she using data to do? What is she using people's location?
This is pure lie. There's nobody is collecting data. Like I said, they say media. Nobody is collecting data. I'm yet to see that. If they're collecting data, of course, it's not something they will hide, right? Nobody's collecting data. I don't think, but what do I know? Let's continue anyway.